Whoa! What are you doing? Rocks? Those aren't rocks, those are styrofoam. Yeah. Can you show me how you sink? Can you sink way, way down? Can you lay down all the way in that box? Oh my. Oh my. You did it. Good job.
Can you wake up?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, all done. Naps.
That's right. The kitty's all done with his naps.
Big boom. Then we're going.
You wiggling? Are you wiggling?
Look up this.
I don't think you can pick up the whole box, honey.
Kangen. Kangen.
What?
Kangen.
Kangen? Are you just making up words now?
Kitty.
What's the kitty doing?
Meow. Meow.
No, I know he says meow, but what is he doing right now? Is he playing?
Huh?
Yeah, what?
Wake up. All done. Naps.
That's right. He's all done with his naps.
Go on. Naps. Naps.
You think he's going for another nap? Kitty does sleep a lot.
What? And then. Big boom.
Mm-hmm.
And then.
We should have gotten you this for your birthday last year, huh?
We're searching the little.
That's right. That's what a rooster says.
Kangen. Kangen.
Kangans.
Penguins.
Penguins?
Upstairs. Penguins.
Oh yeah, we watched the penguins upstairs.
Whoa. And then.